Hey guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a wig install from Asteria Hair. This is actually my second time ordering from them. It's giving it to me. I don't have any baby hairs, and I left this one, I left it free, like a free fall, because I wanted to be able to just throw the hair around as necessary, you know? And I feel like whenever you actually have like a dedicated part, then you have to, like, you're committed to that part. So I like how I just kind of left my hair free falling, so I can just throw it around anytime I want to. If I wanted to put it up, I could even like put it up and it looks super cute. I think this is either 22 or like 26 inches, but your girl is feeling real luscious. Everything will be tagged below in case you guys are interested. I hope you guys enjoy. I feel so cute. I absolutely love this hair, and let's get into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
So you guys, we're back with another wig install. This is from Asteria Hair. This is what the inside of the unit looks like. Okay, for anyone wondering, we're going to just put this bad boy on. So now that it's on, let me just zoom you in. I did bleach the knots. I lucky bleached them twice too. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it actually looks really good. As always, I'm going to just go in with my little handy dandy hairspray. So I just pull it back. And it just comes out with water, for anybody wondering. Okay, so what I do like to do is just have like some type of melt belt ready to go. Put that bad boy on your hairline. Okay. And then what I like to do is just kind of hold it here for a second. Everything is nice and on there. And I just kind of, yeah. So it's been in there for a few minutes. Nothing too like long, but we are going to begin cutting this lace off. And as you guys can see, the lace is really melty. Okay guys, so I just cut the lace off, and when I cut it off, I go down. Okay, I learned that going up doesn't help, going down is the way to go. The lace looks really good. I did pluck at the hairline a bit, but nothing too drastic. Okay, so when it comes to the frontal spacing, it is like a 13×4, so you do have frontal parting all throughout the sides, as you guys can see. Like, they try to give you enough parting space. So it's a frontal, because some companies leave it really small. But you do have parting space throughout. So this is what the hair looks like, just straight, no product, ready to go, watered and air dried, you know what I mean? If you want like a free falling type of style, free falling type of style means like you can just easily throw it around like this, no commitment, no middle part. Even though you can wear it like falling to the middle, there's like no commitments. Just when you're washing your hair, comb it backwards, and this is the easiest way, or the most long-lasting way that your hair is going to last. Like, even if I wanted to, you know, put it in a half up, I could, knowing that it's, you know, going to still just be great, you know what I mean? Because the majority of the time when you're fixing a part or you're pressing it in a certain direction, it's going to stay that way. But if you just want to be able to toss your hair around and it like look the most natural, oh, I have part to the side, oh, I have part to the other side, you know, just continuously being able to throw it around, I would say just comb your hair to the back, and it leaves a more free falling type of style. I absolutely love it. I think it looks really good. Let me just zoom in to the hairline for you guys. So you guys can see, like, when we move our hairline around, you can definitely see I don't have no hair out, and it looks to me really good. Why is this little piece that's kind of just around? This definitely looks like a wig that even after I take it off, I'll be able to make it like glueless. Absolutely adore it. I think it's gorgeous. It's taken me a long time to get around to this hair because it's actually really hot out here where I live. So if you guys are looking for an easy, low maintenance hairstyle, I would say try to put as minimal. Don't put product in the hair, because this is air dried hair. I just ran a Denman brush through it and it looks perfect. Like I said, if you want a more defined part, you can give yourself that. But I feel like it looks most natural when you're not doing too much. You're not trying to make everything look all sleek. You know what I mean? Because it just looks so natural, and I'm just throwing it around. So this hair is from Asteria Hair. They did give you a few little goodies. You got some eyelashes, a wig cap, and then they give you a scarf. So I always say it, I like when companies give you a little bit more bang for your buck, because some of these companies just throw your wig in a bag and kind of call it a day. So I do like this hair. This is my second time ordering from this company. Last time I got like a Beyonce straight color, the hairline. Their hairline is just really good. Like when it comes to the lace, it's super melty. Absolutely love the hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. I could have went out of my way to actually style it, but like these curls are popping and I'm like really here for it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.